Hi, my name is Allie Peters with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals. I'm standing in our brand new listing at 6855 Vista Lodge Loop in Castle Pines. This beautiful ranch-style home is located on a corner lot in a gated community. Entering into the home, you'll find an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and huge bay windows. The kitchen includes stainless steel appliances and a butler's pantry leading into the dining room. Entering into the primary bedroom, you'll find an oversized primary bedroom with 2 walk-in closets and a grand 5-piece bathroom with a walk-in shower. Entering into the basement, you'll find a fully finished basement with a wet bar, vast open rec room, 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and a large storage area. Other things that this house includes is refinished hardwood floors, brand new carpet throughout, freshly painted walls, an in-home office, and an oversized 3-car garage. This is a home you do not want to miss out on, so either schedule a showing or stop by our open house on Saturday, November 12th from 11 to 1. Hope to see you there.